Welcome back to the channel. In 2025, sales team needs smarter and more personalized outreach. Salesloft is designed to modernize how reps connect with prospects. Let's break it down. Salesloft is a sales engagement platform that helps teams manage calls, emails, and follow-ups in one workflow. With analytics, automation, and AI insights, reps know the best time and way to reach prospects and move deals forward faster. Its tight CRM integrations and performance tracking make it a strong choice for revenue teams. Focus on consistency and scale. Sales Love helps sales teams engage better, sell smarter, and close more deals. If you're looking to upgrade your sales outreach in 2025, Sales Love delivers structure, insight, and modern engagement. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews.